Alright, got some temporary cabinets, shelves up here. Been working on them for about a week. They're replacing a shelf. I did put fully adjustable shelf pins in here, so you can kind of see how, if I can do it correctly. There we go. This one's a little bit snug. Let me put this on my stand. And then I'm going to take the ledger board off. Hopefully it doesn't come crashing down from there. There we go. Alright. Ledger board coming off. Here we go. Great success. On to the next one.